Today, we are gonna make a delicious butternut squash and olive oil focaccia bread. It's nice and thin, it's good cold, it's good warm, it's good sitting out on the counter, it's good fresh out of the oven. First thing we gotta do, obviously, is make the dough. So, flour, rapid rise or instant yeast, big fan, salt. Okay, and we mix that up. And now we come in with some warm water. Take a little bit of dough. Sorry, take a little bit of flour. Okay, nice. So, some flour on your hands, fold, push. We put it in a bowl with olive oil. There's many types of focaccia bread, but my favorite focaccia breads are in Tuscany, and they're loaded with olive oil, both after and during the cooking process. So get it oiled up on the outside, beautiful, like this, and cover it. All right, so let this rest for a while, about an hour and a half. Do some other things. Before we go and do other things, we should really get our mise en place for the focaccia bread ready. Okay, so nice pieces. These will absorb olive oil and they'll get crispy and sort of melt and give you a wonderful flavor. We're gonna put some sage. Don't have to do anything to that right now. And then of course, we have this guy, the butternut squash. And we're only gonna use about a third of it. Really simple. Just comes straight down. Like this. Or if you want to do it like the Japanese boys, it freaks me out a little bit, but they kind of go, see if I can do it like the Japanese do it. Oh, we're getting there. Not so bad. Any little trimmings? Get a good grip here. And try and make them thin. We have enough slices. That's the most important. Okay, and we have our butternut squash. Here's what we do. We take our pan and we come with olive oil, like this. Okay? Then the dough, and now just gently try your best to get it into the corners. Oil that up. Sage, really nice. And I just like to take either whole or half leaves and sprinkle them about. Take some onion. Some salt. Fat salt is good, but skinny salt is okay. And now finally, more olive oil. It takes anywhere between 20 and 45 minutes, depending on how strong your oven is. Let's put it in. All right. Focaccia time! Check it out. First of all, look at the bottom. I would just go in 6 or 8 pieces. Square pieces here. Okay. Nice and thin. Pretty airy crumb. Wonderful aroma. Hasta luego, amigos. It's good. Do you want to try it? That's it.